Let's make scalloped potatoes. Peel 10 small Yukon Gold potatoes, then slice thin. Cook 4 slices of bacon crispy. Remove and add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Add 1 spoonful of flour. Now add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir, then add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and a half cup of Parmesan cheese. Stir, then add another half cup of heavy cream. Now season with salt, pepper, thyme, and rosemary. Place your potatoes into a small roasting pan. Pour the cheese on top. Add a little shredded cheddar cheese. Crumble the bacon on top. Now cover and cook at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Then uncover and cook an additional 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.